The secrets to marketing. What is it? The honest answer, there's no secret to marketing, you guys. We see it all the time online. Every time we go to different websites looking for new programs, affiliate programs, different marketing, and different ways to make money, different ways for you to add to your business. And one of the most popular things that we see all the time is opt in now for the secret to my marketing strategy. We see it all the time. There is no secret. Everybody, a lot of us will think that, man, it's not working, so we must not be doing what others are doing. Here's the thing. There are all kinds of ways to put your products out there, to put your brand out there, to let people know who you are and what you do and what you got. But there is no secret. It's not a secret. It's a matter of doing it the right way or the wrong way. This way will work or it won't. Will that company work for me? Will this work? It's about what works. Here's my best advice. If there's any advice that I could give, be unique. Because people like unique. Think about it. When you see a company that just come out and they come up with a really, really catchy title, a unique title, a unique name, a unique brand, you're going to be interested because, one, you've not heard about it anywhere else. Now, as far as this, you got this guy over here, and he's talking about the secret to making $1,000 an hour. Well, then you got 20 other people that's got the same secret. So which way are you going to go? Be unique for your brand. Be unique for you, your brand, your business. That is the best advice that I can give you today. Is to be unique. People think that it's bad to be different, but not in the marketing world. To be unique, I think that helps get attention. So be unique with your marketing brand, with your product. And obviously you always want to have quality behind your product, and you want to have high integrity behind your name. But come up with a unique strategy. Now, I can't tell you what that is because your business is different from mine. Mine is different from his. His is different from hers. We're all different. We all have different marketing goals, different products that we're either trying to sell or that we're trying to advertise or that we're trying to do reviews on. Everybody is different. So I don't see how anybody can tell you what the secret is. Unless they're running a company just like yours with the same products and the same ideas, the same goals, I just don't see how that's logical. So be unique and see how that works out for you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with more tips.